On TikTok. I met her on TikTok.
So you met her on TikTok.
Yes.
All right. So you met Msblinga on TikTok. So let's get. Did you know her before, like like before, or
No. It was all from TikTok.
it was all from TikTok? All right. So we saw the relationship that was going on between you and Msblinga. Now, both parties came out and said it was a prank. So my question to you is, was it really a prank?
No.
So it wasn't a prank. So why? Can you tell the people why did you guys decide to say it was a prank? That's what I need to know. Why did you guys decide it was a prank?
She did worry about her relationship with she and her husband, and me did feel a way. So they kind of put myself in that husband's shoes and think I might tell her, say, you go and just go out there and denounce me. You see me, and she asked me like, how me I gonna do that? How me I gonna do that? I can't say nothing about you now. Like, I may say just go out there and tell the people them say, well, what was a prank?
So my question is, if she was involved, if she had a boyfriend or a person, what did you say? Make that clear.
Repeat that question.
She had a husband, a boyfriend. What did you say? Make that clear.
Oh, she had a husband.
She had a husband. So
Yeah.
while you guys were doing the relationship, she had that husband, right?
Yes.
So why did you guys? If you remind you said that she said it's a prank because she don't want the husband. So why came out public before about it? Why came out? Why plan such a thing?
I think it started off as TikTok relationship. Ended up that she came. We were having conversation on the phone, and she came. We meet up, and we're here now.
So I'm getting a little bit confused now. So you guys had this relationship, which was not a prank, but told the public it was a prank
To save her marriage.
to save her marriage. But if, all right, so it was to save her marriage. Okay. So why? My question is, this is what I don't understand, right? Because if I'm in a relationship, I would keep it on the low. I would not come out in the first place. Was it for like views or I don't know?
The whole I'm just tell you what I gotta say. Me, yeah, the suggestion and say prank. Me say prank and everybody I run with it, I work with it, yeah. So feel like nobody no notice me, like my house catch a fire, my bigger strength. I know I'm gonna get a strength, like if I even a curtain, my curtain catch a fire. If I even a curtain.
When did that happen?
Couple, not even a month. I think a month about.
All right.
A month about.
Let's get back to the prank. So after you said the relationship was a prank, did you guys continue the relationship?
We continue texting. Yeah, she was here when she said it was a prank, and I was there. But after she leave, we were still communicating back and forth.
Was the communication relationship or friendship wise?
Some are cuss, cause I don't know. Sometimes she just get up and cuss, and some just normal, and some would just talk and cause she encouraged me. She encouraged me, yes. And some she gonna encourage me.
So okay. So there's the question I want to know, right? Because I have other questions, but this is what I want to know. After you guys come out to the public and said it was a prank, did you guys continue the relationship as a relationship or friendship?
Relationship.
When did that relationship ended?
Repeat your question.
When did that relationship ended?
All right, to me, it end long time, and me still feel like say it end. You know when me say it end Monday. Me say it end Monday, not this Monday. Last week
So
Monday.
the relationship ended let's say,
The day the relationship end, what when me would have said at the day when she come at Jamaica.
all right. So here's the question. This is a question I have for you. Did you know she was going to Jamaica this last time?
Yes.
So, right. Mind you, you said the relationship ended when she went to Jamaica. So before she went to Jamaica, did you guys have plans on meeting up, arrangements on where she's gonna stay when she get to Jamaica?
She tell me like, yeah, hear me? She tell me like, might be a month or two before. So she just said that make me know. That was the update. That was the only update I've gotten about.
But if you guys were in a relationship, why didn't she communicate that to you properly? Like, okay, she told you a month ago that she's coming to Jamaica. All right, she told you she's coming to Jamaica a month ago, right? Did you guys have plans on where she was staying? Did you guys make plans what you guys are gonna do as relationship couple?
Yeah, she sent something to me.
And what was that?
I think to me email, to be exact, it was to me email.
And what was that?
And the apartment, the whole Airbnb thing.
Oh, so she.
And I was like, she said, rang somebody and me forget it. So I said, what you mean? She said, no, I know me forget it. I know me forget it. So I said, okay, all right.
So she
sent that to me.
So she sent the room number, everything, her accommodation, where she's gonna stay in the email, but she sent it for the wrong person.
The bookings at the Airbnb that she sent to me.
Okay. So now, the night before she went to Jamaica, did you guys have any conversations? But if you're in a relationship with someone and they're coming to Jamaica the next day, how comes you didn't have no conversations the night before? Let's talk. Let me retract that question. What day did she come to Jamaica?
I don't remember, but the same day she come at the same day, I realize say, something I go on, or something in something, alright. Yeah, so there, it's the same day there.
So you guys didn't talk the night before? What about 2 nights before that?
Nope.
What about 3 nights before that?
Even if 3 nights before that, even if my mother text her, my mother say, hey, she start cuss. Her mother say, what's up, how you doing? You don't care how me do, so don't ask how me do, like stuff like, she just start, we can't tell them things, so I just stop text me a while. I just chip off piece of my head and just love her alone.
All right, so this is a big question I want to ask you. When she came to, why did you decide to come out with everything now? Why?
Cause for no say, the husband know about me, and me I say a lie, nothing no go so, and you go come and like visit other man.
A while ago you said that you said it was a prank to protect her relationship, but now you said the husband know about the relationship.
The husband, people are not fool. Everybody on TikTok know. All when she come out to a prank, the husband have him think them, and him a be him own detective, and him a pressure her. So she have to say a prank.
Okay.
So him actually did have an idea then about this TikTok police.
Okay. So do you know who's the husband?
Me no know, you know. And me no want to know. Guys, after that interview, I me no want to know threaten my life. Please and thanks.
No,
Then wicked enough.
like I said,
Right.
I let everybody know you're just telling your side without being disrespectful or anything.
Me there so on a chat, cause I feel hurt. Them come and tell me say, oh me and me soon reach over so my daughter have a good life. Just wait for me. Love your daughter, you know. Nothing can make me all if you fuck up. Nothing can make me not get
No swearing, no swearing.
Daughter is so nice. And I'm like, okay then, why you be so nice to me? Like,
What
when you
is-
say, yo, you just want to be a fuck and...
No,
Like,
no, calm down, hold on. Not the swearing, no swearing.
Just-
Let just take it easy, no swearing. No, let's not go too far ahead, right? Were you promised a visa for you and your daughter?
No.
Because you at one point you said she told you to take out your passport, right?
Yeah.
What was the passport for?
I was going on a... Sorry about that a while ago. I was going on a farm work.
Where? Which country? Which country?
Program. It was like if them never tell. It was like it could have been anywhere. Them never tell.
So that's why you took out the passport.
Yeah.
So you were never promised a visa from her, or she never promised to bring you and your daughter to America.
She never promised me the visa. But in a case where she for promised me the visa now with their work and stuff like forget for do business with somebody for married me. Yeah.
So basically you get promised to come there and find somebody to get married and all that.
Yeah.
All that. So why let's talk about the tattoo. We're gonna come back again, but how long were you guys together before you took a tattoo? How long were you guys together?
She come the first time and after she come the second time I get the tattoo.
You got the tattoo.
Yeah.
So did you get the tattoo after they said it's a prank or before?
Before.
So you get the tattoo before. Whose idea was it?
My idea, she was actually surprised, you know.
Were you in love? Were you in love?
Huh?
Were you in love?
You can't, you can't call it so, you know.
Okay, so you were in love.
Yeah, cause I take certain disrespect from she and she belittle me that me I talk about on TikTok itself. No other girl can talk to me and them look something there. You see me? So
But I have a question for you. Knowing the fact that you know that she has a husband, right? Why would you? What do you think something would have come out of this? Knowing the fact that this person has a husband of so many years, or however long it is, what were you expecting from the relationship? What were you really expecting? Let's be real.
nobody. Alright. More while you do some things, you get caught up to a point where you not think. And then again, like nobody is gonna love somebody that don't love them. Or nobody is gonna hate or nobody's gonna love somebody don't love them. Let's keep it like that. So she have to be giving me the same reaction and the same emotional feelings for me it react certain way. With my feelings back with her. Me not just love her so and she not show me certain feelings back. You understand what I say, right?
I understand. So
Sometimes I tend to can't explain.
is it basically that you're saying that she wasn't happy in her relationship?
Yes, she wasn't happy. And when she meet me, she's still never too happy. She did happy say certain things, not to say on the lie, but she's still never yet happy.
Was it true that you were told to delete all the evidence that you have?
Yes. even we even have an argument, face to face argument, fight, hassling, tussling. She wanted the phone to delete.
When was this?
That was the last time she came here to and we meet up. That's the last time.
That was the last time.
I'm not talking this time she came here. No, I'm talking before that. Then, yeah.
So we all know that when you're in a relationship, the man is the head. Well, the man is financially stable. And the relationship? Who was supporting the relationship? Was it you supporting the relationship?
No.
So she was supporting the relationship.
Yes. I have my look one moment. I have my look one moment when me buy a ticket for her to come, but it's a one-way ticket, so they kind of cheap.
So at one point you bought a ticket for her to come.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's gonna happen next? Like why? Like I have this question that I want you to answer, right?
Yeah.
Before you came to social media, okay? Because I understand you said you haven't talked to her before she came to Jamaica, which I find is kind of weird because if my partner is coming to Jamaica, we have to talk the day before. So when you talked the day before, didn't you find it suspicious or?
It was like I always affair things like this. True, I know the whole situation, she and her family. So that's why we hardly talk. When we can, we talk. Through the whole situation, we hardly talk. So I not really meds say yo nothing. And then she sell me a little story and I just work with it in the last part.
What was the story?
So she now come for enjoy herself. Cause at one point I asked her if I could see her, you know. And she said she now come to enjoy herself, she come for a funeral. I said, okay.
She's coming for a funeral, okay. So
yeah.
when you find out that when she get to Jamaica, right? Did you reach out to her or did she reach out to you?
I reached out to her. I think I reached out to her. And I said, you're good? She said yes. Right after she said yes, she called me. I said, what go on? And she said, what go on? I must so good and rated. And so I say, I'm not see her. She was like, I soon call her back. And I say, yeah, man, I'm here. I never hear nothing. I say, yeah, man, all right. Anyways, the day go on. The next day, I wake up. That are the same Monday.
The same Monday.
The same day. I don't remember if I'm Monday or that the same day when she come in. I'm say, okay. The next day now, I text. I'm say, I know you never dare go call me back. But that's okay though. Yeah.
But how did you know she was not gonna call you back when you guys was in a relationship?
Because honestly, I did kind of suspect. Suspect. Like based on how non-communicating and stuff like that, I did kind of suspect say, yo, you know, say she fine.
One question that I want to ask you here. When you find out
why people are calling.
When you find out, right? When you find out, so when did you allegedly, so-called this person who is Bokto. I'm not sure who's that, but allegedly. When you found out that, or how did you find out about that?
No, you know, so at the same day when I come out and say me there go vent, you know, me hear somebody say that.
But oh my God.
You see? Jesus Christ.
But so I have this is the question I have for you now. When you found out whatever you found out, did you try to call her before you came to social media? Because mind you, hold on a second, mind you, I understand what you're saying, but I'm going to give her the benefit of the doubt. Mind you, she went home for a funeral, right? So maybe she was stressed out. Because I know when people come, when people travel, they go through a lot of things, right? So maybe she was stressed out. Maybe she was going through a lot. You understand what I'm saying? When you found out what you found out, did you try to talk to her before venting on social media? Did you hear what I said?
I don't know why a bag of people are call me with no caller ID. I don't know why.
So did you get the question that I asked?
No, I didn't.
I said, so listen to the question. When you found out what you found out, right? When you found out what you found out, did you reach out to her before coming on social media to vent? Did you reach out to her first?
No, no.
Why didn't you reach
Nobody.
out? No, but why didn't you reach out to her
Because,
first? Because remember,
because me just watch, I just sit and watch how I've been played and
right?
used
But
and
let me say something to you, right? TikTok police. Remember,
led. Stuff like
okay.
that.
But so didn't you think it was better that you reach out to her first and hear her side first before you vent? Did you regret not reaching out to her first?
Because I'm still online. Don't know story.
Did you hear what I said?
I know my name is father.
The question is, why did you regret not reaching out to her first before you come and vent online? Did you regret it? But what if
No, say when me used to make me look money them on the app, she me used to send it to, and she send me back, and she know that, and her response was the other day was, and find somebody else for do your thing for you, come not do it. So I just find somebody else and just cut her off.
so you find how long ago was that?
The same time when me and her catch up in the same, when me tell her say she not gonna call back, I see that same day.
That's when she was in the US.
Yeah, no. She was in Jamaica that time.
Oh, so
It's
all
that
this,
same time there when she. No, it was the same day I came out. The same day I came out, I go up on the live, and this lady come up on the live and say she was over there and she wanted to say that she heard the selector big up our Blinger in at the party, and Blinger take out the girl out of the box and them start disrespect the lady and them black her. So she come over my side now and I tell me what I go on. And she talk, vent, and me looking at myself now, me I say, okay, sir. I'm the one been getting played. Tell me a story. I go funeral. So I say, alright, you're there in a family. I'm not invade that space there. But alright. You know how I feel about you, so at least even one time before you go, I'm gonna see you. You understand? So when I realize, I don't see her, I not hear from her, I just after I end the live, I text her. I may say you've been my text her, I say you always been talking about your husband and you don't Ray, because when the lady come up and say make me send a message, you always been talking about your husband and that you're married and you don't do this, you don't do that. Yet still, where are you now? You see me? A matter of fact, don't reply to this message or you can block me.
are you in a relationship right now?
And I was on the live when I sent that message, and I even make a video at the same time. Repeat that question.
Are you in a relationship right now?
Yes.
How long now is that relationship?
That relationship, how long, baby? This relationship is 2 months now.
Okay, so this relationship, did Msblinga know about the relationship?
It was like not serious. We were like,
Thank you for all the gifts, guys.
Do not disturb it. So, all right, we did like a link up at first. Link up, have our look man now move right. So him get put out, I'ma just take the space. It was a thing like that.
So did Miss Blinga knew that you had a relationship going on?
No.
She didn't know. So if you were in a relationship already with Miss Blinga, why would you go into another relationship? Knowing the fact that you said
Because she wanted to control me, and I see that. And the reason why I said that, she wants somebody she can control.
so moderator, turn on the comments a second. Like I said, guys, this is not about bringing down anybody. This is about to get the story so everybody can see the side of the what's going on. Once again, Miss Blinga, this live is not to bring you down. As you know, my platform is not about bringing down. I can see there's like 3 red screen on this thing. Give us a second. This, hold on a second. Give us 1 second. Let me get him back. Police, can you send back your request? Send back your request, bro. Give us a second. When somebody say Blinga calling me, Blinga is not calling me. You guys stop it. Send back your request, bro. Okay, hold. I think I seen him. Hold on. Because we're almost finished, but I have some questions at the end to really find out, yeah, about what's going on. Guys, as you know, this is somebody said let him vent then ask the questions. You got to understand that this is not really a platform to come and bring down or anything like that. That's why we ask questions, so we can get to know what's going on. But I send the request. Stress out bad. Bringing her down, that's all. Well, whatever he does on his spare time of the life, that's it. But we're not here. I would never bring down anybody. We're not here for bringing down. Thank you guys so much for the gifts. Anybody who was sent gift for, I'm sorry, I forgot to say, Queenie will be here next week, guys. Next week, Queenie will be here. So if you're not yet following me, drop that follow to see other interviews that's coming up. I need to ask about the last part about the relationship. And the good thing about interview, guys, is that we get to hear the person's side on if it makes sense but I'm not here to go on I'm not here to go on anybody's side. I'm not here to bring down anybody. I don't pick sides. I just ask questions, they answer, and however the public wants to take it, then that's fine, but I only ask questions. Hold on a second, I think he's coming back. I don't know what happened, but why did he dodge? He's on Dawn Live. You see, here's the thing. I just want to clear something. A lot of people, what they expect is for me to bring down someone. I don't do that. Like, yes, he's hurt, but we're here to... Thank you guys for all the gifts. May your basket never empty. Thank you guys so much for all the gifts. That was, I mean, he's over on another live, but I think that's very disrespectful. That's very... It's because it's because you are not supporting him. That's the thing. I'm not here to that's the thing what people need to understand. My interviews, I do not pick sides. You understand what I'm saying? And if anybody come and expect me to pick sides, I do not pick sides on my interviews. I will never do that. That's why you see I'm here. Even if anybody that I interview, I do not pick sides. That's not my job. That's not what I do as an interviewer. You know what I mean? An interviewer not supposed to pick sides. We're here to ask questions and then, and then they answer the question. So if he feel that I'm not picking his side, then that's crazy because it's an interview. And if he went to another person's live, it's very disrespectful and it shows who you really are. Because if you're here to tell your truth, tell your truth. Don't be scared. Just tell your truth. You understand what I'm saying? So, I mean, I was watching a certain person live today, and the person was saying that maybe I'm not going to, or Roy, probably not going to ask the right questions. What some people want me to do is to ask questions to try to bring down the other person, but I don't do that. I do not do that. Msblinga, I will never bring you down. TikTok police, I will never bring you down. I would never pick any side. Never. That's not what I do. In a courtroom, then that's different. When Msblinga do courtroom, we understand courtroom, somebody have to pick somebody's side. But when I do a professional interview, I do not pick sides. I keep it professional. I ask the questions, and it's for the people to judge and the people to listen and understand. He said I'm not asking the right questions. Wow. That's very disrespectful.